Hello and welcome to another episode of Town and Country Property Auctions podcast. It's been a while because obviously we've had the summer and we've all been on holiday, but now we're ready to kick off with our next podcast. So without further ado, I'm Anthony Beeston.
And I'm Louise Stamway. It's great to have you guys with us, and today we'll be previewing some of the hottest investment opportunities coming up in our next auction. That's going to be on Wednesday the 24th of September, starting at 10 a.m, so that's just a note for the diary.
Yeah, so what we've done is we've handpicked 6 fantastic properties. We're going to start in our Cheshire, Staffordshire and Shropshire region, and then we're going to head over to Manchester and Greater Manchester. But all of these properties have solid rental potential, value add options, and they've also got flexible exit strategies.
Amazing. Let's see if we can find you guys some perfect opportunities this month to invest in. And starting firstly with a property we have in Stoke-on-Trent. It's 66 Lockley Street. That's got a starting guide at £70,000. It's a classic investor favourite. So it's a 2-bedroom terraced home in Birch's Head in the middle of Stoke-on-Trent. This is lot number 2 in the catalogue, and it's one of those properties where the numbers really just speak for themselves.
Yeah, sure. And actually, after only a light refurb, you're looking at potential rental income of £725 a month for this one, which in terms of a yield works out at over 10% on a gross yield, which is not easy to find in today's market.
Definitely not. And also, of course, it's already below market value, so there's already instant capital growth there. So a great one to start with. The house itself is well laid out. There's a bright reception room, spacious kitchen diner with French doors, and 2 generous double-sized bedrooms. And outside you've got a private garden with outbuildings, which is ideal for tenants who need a bit of storage or perhaps even a workshop.
Yeah, I mean, this is the type of property that would suit a buy-to-let investor looking for a turnkey property with immediate returns after a simple cosmetic update. But actually, it would also work for a first-time buyer or even investor looking to buy and then flip, particularly given the strong demand for properties in Stoke-on-Trent.
Yeah, I agree. And so it's got obviously the low entry point at £70,000 guide. It's a freehold property. There's clearly no chain because it's auction, so it's definitely a great place to start or scale on your portfolio.
Yeah, and while we're just talking about the area, we mentioned it's located in Stokes. Is there anything, Lou, you think it's worth mentioning about that area?
Hugely. I mean, at the moment, we're finding Stoke-on-Trent to be a bit of a hotspot in terms of investment. There's a lot of regeneration. There's a strong rental demand. A lot of our investors and landlords are able to get really strong yields, great returns. And of course, in terms of the demand, the area itself has got quite a lot of young professionals. There's lots of students. So yeah, the demand's quite strong as well in Stoke. It's a great place to be investing right now, I'd say.
Yeah, no, I agree. So, on to our next lot.
Yeah, which is 6 Abberton Close in Crewe in Cheshire.
Yeah, so it's a real gem, this one. It's a 3 to 4 bedroom home, and it's located in a quiet cul-de-sac. It's vacant, it's freehold title, and it's ready for a fresh start.
Yeah, it's definitely. It's one ideal for someone looking to refurb and flip, or for landlords wanting a family rental, really, because it's in the popular commuter town even of Crewe. It has previously been let out, so it already has the valid boiler and electrical certificates, which is an added bonus. So definitely a great head start on this one.
Yeah, it's a really good footprint on this. It's got 3 beds. In fact, the previous occupant had used 3 beds upstairs, and then they'd also used a room downstairs as an extra bedroom. It's got a spacious lounge diner, conservatory, downstairs toilets, and also there's potential to extend it further, obviously subject to planning. What appeals as well with this one is there's off-road parking, there's a carport, and there's a really good sized rear garden, so it all adds to the appeal.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I was only here actually at this particular property the other day, and I have to say, like, on the face of it, structurally, it all looks sound. It definitely needs an overhaul internally, but it's definitely, I think, got a great potential for anybody looking for an investment in the area of Crewe. And in terms of Crewe, at the moment, there's a great regeneration buzz. There's consistent tenant demand there. due to the local Leighton Hospital. There's Bentley, so there's a lot of contractors. There's big employers in the area. So rental demand is so strong right now, we're finding. And in fact, the properties in Crewe don't seem to hang around too long with us, do they?
No, they don't. No, I mean, we could do with more of them, really, because we soon sell them. But on this one, you've got a strong return. You've got multiple exit strategies, really, whether you're going to hold on to it and have it as long-term let, or you're going to refurb and sell it on for a quick profit. There's loads of potential. And the market value, I would say, it's between 210 and 215,000. So there's really good uplift in capital value on this particular lot.
Yeah, the margins are there for sure. And the rentals on this one, you've got to be looking anywhere 1,100 plus on that per calendar month. So definitely a great investment.
A good all-rounder.
Brill, yeah. So going over to Staffordshire again now, we've got a property in Cheadle. It's 4 Coniston Drive. This one is a 3-bed semi-detached home in a desirable family area. It does need a bit of modernisation, but other than that, it's pretty much good to go.
Yeah, I mean, this one, it's a straightforward cosmetic refurb, isn't it? A fresh lick of paint, new carpets. Potentially you could do some work on the kitchen and bathroom, although it's not absolutely necessary. But then you've got a strong family rental, or again, a quick resale value with a decent uplift.
And you've only got to look at the comparables and those that are actually selling nearby on this one, because they've sold anywhere between 200 and 220,000 recently. And actually there's some on the road at the moment that are selling or on the market for 230,000. So there's definitely some capital growth to be gained here.
And obviously if you're looking for a rental demand again strong. We've had a look, and the rental estimate for this one's about £13,000 per annum. So it's a really good solid base for long-term landlords or even new entrants to the buy-to-let market.
Yeah, and again, it's freehold, so with gardens to the front and back, there's off-road parking. It definitely ticks all the boxes for family and young professionals alike.
Yeah, that's right. So, moving on, we're going to go to Manchester and Greater Manchester.
Yep.
And the first property that we've got for you here is 543 Warrington Road in Wigan.
Wigan, yeah, this is a really good one actually. So it's a refurbished 3-bed in Wigan. It's pretty much ready to go, so there's no heavy lifting needed after the auction on this one. You'll be pleased to hear.
Yeah, I mean, this owner, and we've sold a few for him, he's done the hard work here. So he's fitted a modern kitchen, giving it fresh lick of paint. There's an ensuite bathroom which is modern. It's got, unusually for a terrace, it's got gardens front and back. There's also a garage, and it's an EPC rating of C, so no stress for landlords on EPC compliance for the future.
Yeah, it's great that. And this one would rent quickly as well. So anywhere between £850 to £950 per calendar month, you'd be looking at about a 9% gross yield on this one, depending on the finish. So that's ideal for you yield-focused investors or someone who wants to buy and let it out without any delay, really.
Yeah, and Wigan's another of those areas where there's really strong demand for properties.
Yeah.
So again, whether you're looking for an opportunity to buy and sell on, or a long-term rental investment, it ticks both boxes.
Yeah, amazing. And then in another one in Manchester, in an area in Rochdale, we've got 337 Market Street, which is one I think you should take a look at. Again, this one's been refurbished. It's a 3-bed mid-terrace with excellent local amenities and literally countryside on your doorstep on this one.
I mean, this one, I would say it's all about affordability and value. Mm-hmm. It's really well presented. Again, recently updated, ready to rent out, strong rental demand. And rents of this property, or for this type of property in this area, we would estimate between £800 and £850 per month.
Yeah, it's just perfect for a first-time landlord or a landlord that just wants to be hands-off, or even a cash buyer looking to build, yield-focused assets. This is definitely an ideal property. The numbers stack up on it, and the area is seeing positive growth with easy access to both Rochdale and beyond.
Yeah, so we've got a low entry price point, a decent yield, modern finish. It's hard to go wrong, isn't it, with this one?
Yeah, it's definitely one to consider, we would say.
So, where are we? So
On
we're
our
going,
last one
yeah,
now
we're on the
already.
last one.
Wow.
We've done 5, yeah. So this is a commercial one, isn't it?
Thought we'd do something a little bit different to end the podcast. So yeah, it's a commercial property. This is perfect, I would say, for business owners, industrial landlords, or commercial investors that are looking for the next income-producing asset.
Yeah, so here we've got Woodstock Timber Yard, and we're located in Featherstone, Pontefract, and this one offers serious potential because what you've got is you've got a detached industrial workshop unit and a secure yard. The site extends to about a third of an acre, which is rare to find this sort of property on this type of site for sale at auction.
Yeah, which it's currently guided anywhere between 250 and 300, just to give you some indication on pricing for this particular lot. Just to dive into the dimensions, we've got an internal space that extends 5,493 square feet. Plus there's a container unit at the rear as well, bringing the total usable space then to 5,802 square feet, which is obviously a sizable footprint. It's perfect for a range of industrial or storage-based operations.
Yeah, so whether you're looking to operate your own business, lease the unit out on commercial terms, or subdivide the space for multiple tenants, plenty of opportunities here for investment.
Yeah, and exit strategies for sure. And you're in a well-established enterprise area, so it's got great links across West Yorkshire. You've got Featherstone, Pontefract, and further afield, and that kind of connectivity is gold for logistics, trades, or light industrial use.
And yields in industrial units like this can often realise 8 to 10% yields, particularly given the shortage of units of this size in this region. So there's loads of scope here for capital appreciation, especially if some improvements are made to the site and it's let to long-term tenants.
Yeah, you want to look and check out the planning situation if you're considering redevelopment or repurposing. But as it stands, this is a ready-to-go commercial site with tangible value from day one.
Yeah, it's one of those opportunities that doesn't come up at auction very often because we've got a strong location, usable space and industrial versatility.
Yeah, so grab it while you can, guys.
So there we go. Yeah. We've given you 6 of our best we feel for this month's auction.
Each have their own strengths and investor angles. So whether you're buying to hold or to flip or just starting your property journey, there's something here for you.
Yeah, and don't forget our auction's online. It's live on the 24th of September starting at 10 a.m. Bidding's open to everyone, but just make sure you've registered and your finances are all in place before you make your first bid.
And also don't forget to check out those legal packs. Arrange a viewing if you haven't yet, and if you've got any questions, then feel free to call our team.
Yeah, so we'll see you all there virtually under the hammer. Good luck and happy bidding.
So thanks for listening to Town and Country Property Auctions podcast. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.